So I'm just gonna put some paint on these. And it looks like the mounting are a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna have to come in and do some grinding to make these things fit. Alright, so we got these installed. Hey, you remember that video we did when we went over there to the college that time when I was letting you play with my Tahoe system? Remember the big the one that had big old radios? Yeah, you remember I was letting you play with it that day? That video has, where is it? That video has over 100,000 views on YouTube. 100,000. That's crazy, isn't it? Alright guys, finally we're going to install these Crescendo Neo speakers in the work truck. So as you've seen, or if you haven't seen, well, we're just going to do the speakers today because I'm going to have to do some custom mounting for these tweeters since they're different size than the other ones. But I did an unboxing video of these showing you guys these FT1 and F8s. But first we have to paint these adapter rings since it's going to be 4 8s instead of 2 8s and 2 10s that are in there now. If you haven't seen these, this is what they look like. Front and back. Alright, so I'm gonna carry these over here. I got some spray paint. I'm gonna carry these over here and start painting them. So I'm gonna move you over here. Also, big shout out to my boy Reginald out in Texas. He hooked me up with this tripod and I've been needing one so bad. He hooked me up with this thing and it's just awesome. I can't tell you how much time I've wasted actually looking for a place to like set my camera on. Huge help, huge help. So I'm just gonna put some paint on these. Also, this video is brought to you by downforsoundshop.com. If you'd like any car audio equipment, Down for Sound merchandise, anything from car audio equipment, LED light bars, train horns, anything like that, be sure to hit up downforsoundshop.com. That's my store, so you can buy stuff from me. Also, just like this shirt. Been so busy here lately. I just got back from Vegas, if you've seen those videos, but it's been going. I just haven't had really any time to work on this truck. I did buy some, I bought some stain. Let me adjust this thing. I did buy some stain to go on the box and a couple of brushes I'll show you. So here's the stain that I bought. Let's see how long it's been just since I bought this stain. I got this receipt right here. I bought this on, wow, the 10th of last month. Crazy how busy you can get and just totally forget everything that's going on. But anyway, making progress on it now. This is another reason why I usually don't do my own installs. It takes me forever because I really just don't have time to do it. But working on the work truck. I don't know where my the electric drill is or cordless drill is. Imagine. Anyway, once again, if you'd like to buy these Scar Audio Pro Audio speakers that I'm taking out of here right now, there's 0 issues. I mean, they have a little dust and dirt on them, but other than that, 0 issues. They've never given me any problems. They're on my store in the clearance section for sale. So these, they're Neo Pro also. So if you'd like to grab those, just head over to downforsoundshop.com and you can see them on there. And here's the 10 with a little bit of custom mud on it. 10 and 8. This Crescendo is very flat, which makes it a lot easier to mount in like a shallow door panel or something like that. So that's nice. I can't remember exactly what power the Scar is rated at, but this new Neo Forte is 250 watts RMS. So anyway, I'm gonna get it put in there. Just want to give you a little side-by-side comparison. This has these twist terminals. I've never seen these before. I don't know if I'm really a fan of these twist on terminals, but anyways, what are you gonna do? And it looks like the mounting baskets are a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna have to come in and do some grinding to make these things fit. So we're gonna cut the video and come back with you when I get that done. All right. Since I'm not the pro installer at all, the only thing I could think of to shave a little bit of this off was to get the jigsaw and just run it along the side right here. So I want to see if I can make a little bit of room with this thing. It doesn't need much at all. Probably definitely not the cleanest way of going about doing it, but since it's just a work truck, let's see if that'll work. Not yet. A little bit more. Alright, so now we got the 8 in there, and I'm fixing to install this adapter ring to be able to put the other 8 in there. Just like so. You never realize how much you appreciate power tools until you're doing it like this. Alright, so now we got the 8s installed in there. Pretty clean looking. So I'm gonna play them on the way to work. We'll see what they sound like. I'm gonna leave the Scars in the other side, and gonna have these in this side, so we'll be able to hear the difference maybe. But anyway, give y'all an update and finish up soon. Alright, so we're putting the last speaker in this door. I just did the same thing on this side as I did the other sides. So, like I said, I forgot where I put my cordless drill, so I'm having to do this by hand. So now we got those in. See if I can poke this dust cap back out. So I get this little, got this little dent on the dust cap of this one. Dang, that Neo magnet is pretty strong. See if I can poke it back out. I'm actually gonna find something that's not as pointy as that, so I can push on it, maybe pop it back out. But yeah, these are for sale. Alright, so we got these installed. Looking all nice and sexy in there. 2 NF8s. If you want some of these, go to downforsoundshop.com and you can grab them there. But they will be pre-order because they're not available to the public just yet. They are nice and sexy though. So if you want these Scar Audio, never had any issues out of them. This is the one I just popped back out. It's not perfect by any means, but I'm not selling them for a perfect price. But anyway, so a 10 and 8. These are the Scar Audio Neo Pros. Like I said, never had an issue out of any of them. And they are loud, so if you'd like to grab these, go to downforsoundshop.com. I'll put the link in the description below. And you can, if you don't want to, if you just want to go to downforsoundshop.com, just look in the clearance section and they'll be in there. Now let's go listen to these things and see what they sound like. Alright, let's give these things a listen. This is a song, so don't ask me what it is. Remember, this is no tweeter, so it's not full yet. Very nice. Sounds nice, clean, tight. Sounds real good. I'm gonna be upgrading my power on these to the Crescendo 550x2, I think. So it'll be almost doubling the power on them to get them even louder also. That's going to be the install of the NF8s. So I'm going to work on this project next on making the FT1 super tweeters from Crescendo fit up here. Since they're bigger, I'm going to have to build this up a little bit. I might just put a spacer on there, make it the same size, and might have to do a little bit of fiberglassing. We'll see. It might be my first fiberglass project, so check back with you then. Later. Do what?
What was that?
The microphone. Does it tickle?
No. Yes, I mean, but it's really fuzzy too.
That's right. Hey, you remember that video we did when we went over there to the college that time when I was letting you play with my Tahoe system? Remember the big
the one that had big old radios?
Yeah, you remember I was letting you play with it that day? That video has,
where is it?
That video has over 100,000 views on YouTube. 100,000. That's crazy, isn't it? So everybody's been wondering where you've been and what you've been up to. Tell them what you've been up to. Say school.
School, YMCA, and
Learned how to swim.
Learned how to swim and pretty much nothing.
Pretty much nothing. That's it. School, YMCA, learn how to swim. That sounds like a good time. So you're out for the summer now, right?
No, I have to go to the YMCA after this.
But you're out of school though, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're out for the summer. You're just going to the Y for daycare and stuff, huh? Just to hang out?
Yeah.
That's cool. Give me a piece. Say later.
Deuce. Peace.